So we have a gorgeous, beautiful day today. I decided to go out and do a drive by some of my properties and some of the neighborhoods that I invest in, just to kind of get an idea. Any repairs that need done on any of my properties. I also like to look and see if I can find any other properties in the area that look distressed, and that would give me something to put an offer on. We're driving through West Akron now. I've got two properties in this neighborhood. This is in Highland Square area, and good thing about this area is there's close to the zoo and also fairly close to the college. Properties rent pretty quick here and pretty high for the area. My property's there. This road's like a landmine. But anyway, I started creating my business systems a few years ago. I was at, I think, 5 properties, and I started getting very anxious. I was missing things. I was forgetting to do stuff. I was missing steps, and I didn't have an actual system. I was just kind of learning as I go and learning as I went. And I was getting depressed. I was getting frustrated, and that's when I started looking up how to create business systems. And it was at that point I started creating my own systems. I started writing down every single thing that I did and didn't do, and just created just documents. I had hundreds of documents of everything that I did, all these steps, and I started organizing them into separate systems. Purchasing a property, advertising a property, doing a tenant turnover, doing a showing. I just created all these systems, and one by one started painstakingly organizing all these notes that I took of everything that I did. Made sure they were in the right spot, in the right step or right order, so that things got done that needed to be done. And I made changes after that along the way as I found out whether something did or did not work. I would make that change. And that way I keep my systems updated. So I still do that today. I'm always editing my systems. This is one of my properties here in the back. Only thing I don't like about this property, even though it rents fairly quick. Only thing I don't like about this property is it's behind another house, and I couldn't do a refinance on it because of that. It has a common driveway. The owner of the front property, which is vacant, owns the driveway, so my lender wouldn't do a finance on it. I tried several times to contact the owner of the property. I'd love to buy it. It's been vacant since I bought this one over a year ago now, because this one's on its second. Yeah, this is on its second year. But it's been vacant since I purchased the property in the back. They were originally owned by the same person. I looked up on the county site. So long story short, I've tried several times to contact the owner of that front property, to no avail. I'm gonna keep trying. Can't really see too much of what it looks like inside, but just because it's in front of my other property, I would like to own that one too, because then I could refinance both of the properties, roll them into one loan on one property. I'm still trying to work on that. Obviously, it's somebody that's, I mean, they're not renting the property themselves. Sometimes people do that for tax write-offs. We're in South Akron. Got one property on this street. It's not the best area, but it did rent pretty quick. I have a nice tenant in there now. She's been paying regularly for 6 months now. The worst thing about this neighborhood is this street in particular. Kids race four-wheelers up and down them. It's one of those long stretch streets. They need to put a few more stop signs here or some speed bumps. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe down below, and that way you won't miss out on any more of my videos investing in beautiful Akron, Ohio. This is Kevin with the Compulsive Investor channel.